What if I told you that the trenches are coming back as they were before, with liquidity flooding in, charts moving fast with guaranteed profits, just like the old days? No fear, no doubt. Thanks to this sniper, trading becomes easy and highly effective on potential coins. As you can see, many people have already used it. For those seeking a more stable and consistent income, this is your sniper with several features. It has real-time sniping to analyze high-quality coins with precision, using advanced filters to help you avoid rugs. It also includes auto slippage that analyzes market conditions to set instant slippage for your trades, along with fully custom RPC support to boost execution speed across multiple dexes, all designed to guarantee more profits and give you a strong edge in the market. You only need funds in your wallet to start trading. Set a few parameters to configure the bot to your strategy, and it will handle real-time execution with speed and precision. To start sniping with this high-speed sniper, click the button. It supports more than 100 wallets and will never ask for your password. Always make sure to scan the QR code to connect safely. Make sure to like and subscribe.